Hey, how are you? I am Royal. Welcome to Royal's Mindset. In this video, I'm going to share with you, in my opinion, the best Instagram hashtag tool for organic growth. If you're looking to explode your Instagram and take your Instagram to another notch without spending money on ads, you're going to want to check out this video until the very end so you don't miss a thing. All that I ask is that you hit that like button, help this growing channel. With that said, let's jump right into the laptop so I can share with you the benefits of using this amazing hashtag tool. Let's go. All right, so I'm actually excited to share with you guys some results. And before I get into the hashtag tool itself, let me share with you some screenshots just so that you guys know what's working for me, all right? So these are some screenshots for the stats for my personal Instagram account. And as you can see, the last 30 days, I've gotten 135 new followers, and out of the followers that actually stayed and stuck around, that number is currently 58. And if you check out this other screenshot, you'll see that I'm getting new profile visits every day. And just within the last 30 days, I've had 964 profile visits, and 23 of those visits have been website clicks. People clicking on my website, going and checking out my YouTube video. And this is where it gets really good, guys. I've noticed that my impressions for my hashtags has dramatically been going up. Here are two of my recent posts. As you can see, impressions just from hashtags, 131. And here's another, 261 impressions just from hashtags. So this means that more people are seeing my posts just from the hashtags that I'm using. And I'm going to share with you how Flick can help you reach more people, help you get more likes, more comments, more shares, and of course, more followers. So let's jump right into Flick's hashtag tool. So this here is Flick's home screen. You're going to love this. So this here on the left is all my recently ranked hashtags, and right here in the middle is your top performing hashtags, things that are working right now for you. I'll leave a link in the description for a free 7-day trial, but you want to click this icon right here, and this is where you can search for new hashtags. Okay, this is a cool filter right here. What you want to do is you want to put it on smart filters. What this does is when you search for your hashtags, it'll go through its algorithm, it'll go through its computer, and it will help you find hashtags based on your personal account. So whatever your niche is, whatever you like to post about, yours may be fitness, yours may be motivational quotes, maybe you're a mentor or a life coach or a fitness coach. You want to type this into the search bar. So for an example, I'm going to type in content creator. Oh, no spaces. So look at this. So it shows you the competition score. All right, and if you hover over this, it'll give you an explanation. Then it shows you the potential reach of how big the audience is for this hashtag if you were to rank for this hashtag, all right? And it shows you your average likes on how many posts is under this hashtag. The average comments, 30 average comments. So this is a cool thing I like to do up here. So up here is where you can modify your filters, all right? This is where it gets even deeper. So you can cut down the competition by moving these bars. Let's say that we only want to find a hashtag that people have only used, let's say 75,000 times, right? We're going to put apply. And the average likes, we want less than 200 likes. If you think you can rank for at least 200 likes on a post, you want to put that here, or whatever your average is. So now we're looking for hashtags that are no more than 75,000 posts and that are 200 or less likes on that hashtag, all right? So this is where it get good. You got social media photographer. This is probably a good one that you can use. The average likes on this post is 154. And there's about 43 new posts a day using this hashtag. So you can get really, really niche down. Look, Pinterest marketing. Oh, that's a good one. I haven't even thought about that one. So I'm clicking on this so that I can scroll down. As you can see, content strategist is a good one. Social content. You can see the competition. In order to rank above the competition, you're going to need at least 150 likes or more in order to get those top spots that can get you the most impressions. And if you don't think you can get 200 likes on a post, all you do is just adjust this. So let's put it at 150 to make it a little bit easier for us. And look at this, you got small YouTube army, you got instant content. So all the ones that you want to rank for or that you're interested in choosing, all you do is just select them. And as you can see, this hashtag is still up here up top. You can click on this and go back, or you can search for new hashtags. Now this is the one that I can rank for. This is around my speed, less than 100 likes per post. If I want to use this, I would just click on this. And as you can see right here, 5 hashtags selected. So what you want to do is all the ones that you want to use, you can add them to a folder, right? Save to a collection. And you can name this whatever you want to. You can just name this low ranking hashtags, so that you'll know that you can rank for these hashtags, right? And now you have these hashtags right here at your disposal. You can see everything that you need. And this thing is pretty cool, guys. Like I really like going to the analytics. And as you can see right now, it's showing me that I've gotten 63 new followers. I think this is within the last 30 days. It shows you the performance on your post, comments, engagement rate, how many saves you've gotten, the reach of your impressions. It shows you the most important times to post on your Instagram, guys. This is very, very important on when the most people are online with their phones in handy, so that you know when you post that they're going to see your feed. And it shows you that if I post today around 2 to 3 p.m., I'm going to get the most people online. So these things are crucial, guys. And as you start creating content, as you start modifying your content, getting better at it, noticing what gets the most engagement, using the best hashtags, this is when you can get on the Explore page. And when you get on the Explore page, this is how you can go viral. So Flick can help you find hashtags that you can dominate. They let you know exactly which hashtags are working, which ones aren't working, and you can track each hashtag. I got the resources here, analytics, hashtag collections. You can check out your content. There's a lot of stuff that you can do with this software, guys. I'm actually enjoying it. And I'm starting to see a lot more impressions just from hashtags alone. So this is definitely something that you guys want to check out. You can dive into all your posts. You want to see what's working, and you kind of just want to replicate what's working and using the hashtags that are ranking for your past posts. Whatever you have the most saves on and the most comments, you want to replicate those type of posts. So I'll leave a link down in the description for a 7-day free trial. And as an affiliate, if you decide to keep it after the 7-day free trial, I will earn a small commission at zero cost to you on your end. All right. So I'll leave a link down in the description for Flick if you want to test out this software. So if you're interested, check this out. I definitely recommend it. It's been working for me. As you can see some of my stats, I'm starting to take Instagram very, very serious this year and growing my brand and just growing my awareness online. All right. So if you want to grow your business and grow your brand, grow your reach, your impressions, your likes, your comments, and of course, your followers, click on that link, get Flick, and start using it for your Instagram growth. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video. God bless you.